Here is how I created this peaceful oasis step by step. I came across an inspiring fountain online that I really liked, but it seemed too complicated to replicate. He stacked stones and drilled holes in each one. Instead of taking on that challenge, I developed my own design that is simpler yet almost as appealing. Luckily, I found similar flat rocks at a stone yard, which were essential for my design. First thing I did is to dig a big hole to fit a 5-gallon bucket. Then I used these 2 bricks to support the plastic lid, which will be carrying a heavy load. This is a large-sized trash can lid. Using my drill, I drilled many small holes on the lid. Soldering iron is another option. I also drilled one bigger hole for the pump's hose. Holes were too small for water to drain. I end up making them a little bigger. I got this basic small fountain pump, nothing fancy, and it's very easy to install. Now some tips. Don't forget to make a little dent on the rim of the bucket for the power cord to rest. Another one is to use some kind of a fabric to catch debris and dirt to flow into the bucket. This way you don't have to clean the water too often. Dirt and debris may also ruin your pump. So far it went very quickly, but arranging the rocks took me some time. I had to redo it a couple of times to figure out the best way I liked. I'm planning to add few more layers when I get more rocks. For a nice touch, I planted few plants around the fountain. I cut the extra hose and filled up the fountain to test. Basically, we are done at this point, but I wanted to add a light to it for a nighttime ambience. I'm using this solar-powered waterproof LED light strip. I just wrapped it around the lower level rocks, where I intentionally set those rocks inward to disguise the light strip. Thank you for visiting. See you next time.